There's a special magic to a snow day, a certain enchantment that blankets the world. It's a feeling that's both nostalgic and exhilarating, a reminder of simpler times and boundless possibilities. The world is transformed into a hushed wonderland, quiet and full of possibility, inviting exploration and promising moments of serene beauty. The air is still, the sounds are muffled, and a sense of peace descends. That first morning glance out the window, a framed view of a winter masterpiece, everything blanketed in white, a pristine canvas painted by nature's hand, takes you right back to childhood joy, to the carefree spirit of building snowmen and making snow angels. Winterberg, Germany, is a place that doesn't just promise a snow day, it embodies the very essence of winter wonder. It delivers the perfect one, a symphony of snow-filled adventures and cozy moments. Here you connect with the season, embracing the cold and finding warmth in the beauty around you. You share laughter and joy with friends and family, creating bonds that are strengthened by the shared experience. And you find solace and peace, even with yourself, in the quiet moments of reflection amidst the snowy landscape. The anticipation is almost as wonderful as the day itself, the excitement building as you prepare for the winter wonderland. It's about planning adventures, dreaming of snowy slopes and thrilling descents, imagining crisp air, so fresh and invigorating, filling your lungs with the scent of pine and snow, and the satisfying crunch of snow underfoot, a symphony of winter sounds accompanying your every step. It's about creating memories, capturing moments of joy and laughter that will be cherished for years to come, memories that last long after the snow melts, etched in your heart and mind as a reminder of the magic of winter. Winterberg is built around this promise, a town designed to deliver the ultimate winter experience, offering a world dedicated to winter joy, a playground for snow lovers of all ages. It's a town that lives and breathes winter, where the spirit of the season is palpable in every corner, welcoming anyone seeking the simple happiness of a day in the snow, a place where winter dreams come true. So we pack our warmest clothes, preparing for the chill and the thrill of the winter air, map our journey, tracing the route to our winter escape, and chase that feeling, that irresistible pull toward the snow-covered landscape, toward the mountains, toward Winterberg, our destination for the perfect snow day. It's a place to love, a place to experience the magic of winter in its purest form. And I can't wait to show you why, to share the wonders of Winterberg with you. Let's begin our perfect snow day adventure and discover the magic that awaits us in Winterberg. The journey to Winterberg is part of the adventure. Leaving the city, the landscape shifts. Green fields give way to rolling, snow-dusted hills. Arriving feels like stepping into a snow globe, the town nestled among mountains, everything draped in white. The air is crisp, filled with the sounds of laughter and the sight of skiers and families enjoying the day. The ski lift carousel Winterberg, the main ski area, rises before you. A network of lifts and slopes, inviting and accessible. The energy is both exhilarating and cozy, making you eager to join in. We sent a drone up, capturing vast snowy forests and sparkling slopes, a breathtaking view of the German highlands. The intricate web of ski runs, the sun glinting off the snow, all promise an incredible day ahead. Winterberg's beauty is immediate and unforgettable. The adventure truly begins the moment you arrive. Clipping into your skis, feeling that satisfying click, is the first step into a world of winter wonder. It's a moment of anticipation, a promise of the adventure that lies ahead. You're anchored to the mountain, ready for adventure. The crisp mountain air fills your lungs as you gaze down the pristine slopes, a blank canvas for your snowy masterpiece. Winterberg's blue slopes are perfect for warming up, finding your rhythm, or building confidence. They offer a gentle introduction to the mountain's embrace, wide, groomed, and gentle. These slopes are meticulously maintained, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride for skiers of all abilities. For more thrill, red runs wind through snow-laden forests, a captivating dance between nature and sport. The trees stand as silent witnesses to your exhilarating descent, offering excitement and a sense of accomplishment. Each turn is a victory, each completed run a testament to your skill and courage. With over 27 kilometers of slopes, there's something for everyone, from the novice taking their first tentative turns to the seasoned pro seeking a challenge. Beginners, finding their footing and discovering the joy of gliding on snow. Intermediates, honing their skills and exploring new terrain, and experts alike, pushing their limits on the most demanding slopes. The modern lift system connects everything seamlessly, whisking you effortlessly to the summit, so you spend more time skiing and less time waiting. the efficient design ensures that you maximize your time on the slopes, making every moment count. Beginners are welcomed with dedicated areas and patient instructors, creating a supportive and encouraging environment, making it easy to fall in love with the sport. The instructor's expertise and gentle guidance help newcomers overcome their initial fears and embrace the thrill of skiing. Watching new skiers find their balance and joy, witnessing their transformation from hesitant beginners to confident skiers, is a reminder that everyone starts somewhere. It's a testament to the power of perseverance and the joy of learning. Whether you're carving down a challenging run, feeling the adrenaline surge through your veins, or gliding on a gentle slope, soaking in the serene beauty of the winter landscape, Winterberg lets you craft your perfect day, tailoring your experience to your skill level and desires. Every run offers a new view, a fresh perspective on the stunning mountain scenery, a new thrill, a rush of excitement as you navigate the slopes, and a new memory, a cherished moment to be savored long after you've left the mountain. It's a skier's paradise, a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. Accessible, varied, and endlessly fun. A place where everyone can find their own slice of winter joy. Here, the mountain is yours to explore, a vast playground of snow and adventure waiting to be discovered. Getting ready for the slopes in Winterberg? The process is designed to be easy and efficient, ensuring you spend less time preparing and more time enjoying the snow. Start by purchasing your ski pass online. This allows for quick pickup at the resort and often comes with online savings. Day passes are designed to be affordable, with flexible options tailored for families and those planning multi-day stays. You can choose the pass that best suits your needs. Conveniently located rental shops are situated at the base of the lifts. They offer quality gear, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience on the slopes. The helpful staff will get you fitted in under 20 minutes, making the rental process quick and easy. Opting for full equipment rental is a great value, so you don't need to worry about the hassle of bringing your own gear. New to skiing or snowboarding? Book a lesson. Winterberg's reputable ski schools have certified multilingual instructors, ready to cater to a diverse range of skiers and snowboarders. Choose from private or group sessions, depending on your preference and learning style. Lessons ensure you learn safely, building a solid foundation for your skills, and enjoyably from the very start, making your introduction to winter sports a positive one. Everything is centrally located. Park your car, rent your gear with ease, quickly grab your pass, and you'll be heading up the lift in under an hour. This streamlined process means less hassle and more convenience for you. Ultimately, it translates to more time spent enjoying the thrill of the slopes. Winterberg's commitment to convenience lets you focus on what truly matters, creating unforgettable memories and having an amazing time on the snow. It's all about making your snow day seamless, stress-free, and filled with fun from start to finish. Getting to Winterberg is simple. Whether you drive, take the train, or hop on a bus. From cities like Cologne or Dusseldorf, it's a scenic 2-hour drive. Just be prepared for winter roads. Prefer to relax? The Deutsche Bahn train brings you right to Winterberg, with easy connections and a short ride to the slopes. Long-distance buses like Flixbus offer budget-friendly, comfortable travel, dropping you in the heart of town. Each option gives you a unique view of the countryside as it transforms into a winter wonderland. Driving offers flexibility, trains provide comfort and views, and buses are affordable and convenient. No matter your choice, Winterberg is accessible and welcoming. The journey itself sets the stage for your adventure. You're never far from the magic of the mountains. Winterberg invites everyone to share in its winter wonder. A little planning makes your Winterberg snow day flawless. Visit from late December to safe, comfortable, and unforgettable. As the sun sets over the Sauerland Mountains, a peaceful satisfaction settles in. The lifts slow, the last skiers descend, and the day's tracks crisscross the slopes. Winterberg delivers more than sport, it's connection, laughter, and pure fun. Families share firsts, friends find adventure, and solo travelers discover quiet reflection. The town's charm lies in its accessibility and alpine magic. Standing atop a run, you feel far from everyday life, yet it's also easy to reach. Winterberg proves you don't need the Alps for world-class winter joy. When you crave a snow day, remember Winterberg, a place of wonder and lasting memories. Here, you carve your path, share warm meals, and create moments to treasure. I know I'll be back, and I hope to see you there.